Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 Pro Limited Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, we need to press and hold the upper button and keep holding it until the screen on our watch turns off. It takes about 5 or maybe 8 seconds. So let's press and hold the button, keep holding it. And once the screen turns off, you can release the button. And after a second or two, you should see the AMAZFIT logo and wait. And now we can wait basically until the watch is done rebooting. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.